To download data from Zomato, you will need to follow a few straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Create a login to your Zomato account. Visit the Zomato website or open the app. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If not, create a new account by providing the necessary information. Step 2. Access your profile. Once logged in, navigate to your profile section. This is usually found in the top right corner of the website or app. Click on your profile icon to access your account settings. Step 3. Find data download options. Look for an option related to data or privacy settings within your profile. This may be labeled as download your data or something similar. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Request data download. Follow the prompts to request your data download. You may need to specify the type of data you want, such as reviews, favorites, or order history. Confirm your request to initiate the download process. Step 5. Check your email for the download link. After submitting your request, check your email for a confirmation message from Zomato. This email will contain a link or instructions on how to download your data. Follow the provided link to access your data. By following these steps, you can successfully download your data from Zomato. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Zomato's customer support for assistance.